Something fundamental is shifting across America. You can feel it in the quiet hum of a server farm in rural Oregon. You can see it in the code flickering across screens in Silicon Valley. It's present in the way a doctor in Ohio diagnoses a rare disease, and how a farmer in Iowa predicts crop yields. This change is being driven by a technology that is no longer science fiction. It is called artificial intelligence, or AI, and in the year 2025, it has moved from the research lab into the fabric of everyday life. This isn't just another tech trend. It is a profound transformation, a quiet revolution reshaping how we work, learn, and connect. You see it in a worker using an assistant to speed tasks, in classrooms adapting to students' needs. It helps us connect in ways we are only just beginning to understand, and it raises questions we must answer together. This revolution is being led by a handful of powerful companies. They are locked in a fierce, high-stakes competition to build the most advanced AI on the planet. Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI stand at the center of that race. The year 2025 marks a critical point. The systems today, large language models and generative AI, are trained on vast oceans of data. They can write an email, compose a poem, create a piece of art, or even write software. They are not thinking like humans, they are pattern-matching machines. Their reach touches every industry and every American. The outcome of this race will have consequences for every single American. This essay is a map of that new landscape, a guide to the forces at play. So, what is this artificial intelligence that everyone is talking about? At its core, AI is not a single thing. It is a broad field of computer science. The goal: build machines that perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. This includes learning from experience, understanding language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. For decades, AI lived mostly in labs. Progress was incremental. Then something changed. Three ingredients converged: massive data, powerful chips like GPUs, and new techniques: deep learning. Deep learning lets computers learn patterns that mimic neural networks. Large language models are trained on oceans of digital information. They learn grammar, logic, and connections hidden in that data. That allows them to generate new original content: text, images, code. They can draft an email in seconds. But they are not conscious. They match patterns, not think. That makes them valuable, revolutionizing customer service. They accelerate software development. They speed discovery by analyzing scientific literature. The applications are nearly limitless, touching every industry and our daily lives. In this high-stakes race, three names stand out: Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI. Google, the long-reigning king of information pouring billions into AI. Microsoft, the software giant aiming to put an intelligent assistant beside every worker. OpenAI, the once small research lab that shocked the world and ignited this race. Their battle is not only for market share, it is about defining the future of intelligence, and the stakes affect every American. Google has deep research roots, Google Brain and DeepMind quietly pushing the boundaries. Gemini in 2025 is built to understand text, images, audio, and video integrated across Google products. Their goal: weave intelligence into search, Android, YouTube, and Google Cloud. Microsoft shifted from follower to a force by partnering deeply with OpenAI. Copilot brings AI into Word, Excel, Outlook, and programming tools, making AI a constant office companion. Microsoft plays the distribution game: put AI into the hands of millions of workers and businesses. OpenAI released ChatGPT in 2022 and ignited the public's imagination. In 2025, OpenAI continues to push raw capability, iterating core tech like GPT-4 toward GPT-5. They focus on the model itself while relying on partners for compute and distribution. Together they form a triangle of competition and codependence. Each breakthrough sends ripples across industry and society. The fate of this technological revolution rests largely in their hands. Though all aim for powerful, useful AI, their strategies diverge. They are making different bets about how humans will interact with machines. Not just technology, they're shaping an interface for life. Google's approach: careful, integrated, weave Gemini into products billions use. Search, YouTube, Android, and the cloud become smarter and more helpful. The aim: subtle intelligence that enhances familiar tools. Microsoft's play: speed and enterprise dominance. Partner, then distribute. Copilot exemplifies execution: AI as a daily assistant for workers. Get AI tools to users fast, make them indispensable. OpenAI plays the innovation game: build the most capable models and offer them via API. Let others build the user experiences. The model is the product. Iterate core tech rapidly. Stay ahead in raw capability. Google, data plus research for robust AI. Microsoft, distribution and enterprise. OpenAI, raw capability. These competing visions create a dynamic, evolving ecosystem. Will AI be a subtle enhancement, a dedicated assistant, or a raw utility? The answer is likely all three. What matters is how companies steward these tools and how society responds. The competition between tech giants is changing daily life across America. In 2025, AI is a practical tool, already part of routines. It becomes the interface we reach for first. An accountant in Chicago uses AI to analyze thousands of rows and flags anomalies in seconds. A marketing manager in Atlanta asks AI to draft 5 ad campaigns. The AI produces dozens of ideas. Designers use it for image generation and rapid iteration. It frees people from tedious tasks, letting them focus on strategic and creative work. Teams can spend more time on high-value collaboration, and human-centric skills gain importance. Students use AI tutors for personalized, step-by-step help. A high school student in California gets help with physics anytime. College students use AI to summarize dense articles and find sources. Teachers craft customized lessons and identify students who need help. AI improves accessibility and individualized learning. Education becomes adaptive and individual. At home, AI plans meals, suggests activities, and manages calendars. It can narrate bedtime stories in different voices, and help with language practice anytime. A family asks AI for a full road trip itinerary, directions, hotels, kid-friendly stops. An initial health check or telehealth triage can be AI-assisted. AI shifts from an app we open to a background utility, making life easier, more efficient, and more informed. For all its promise, the rapid rise of AI in 2025 presents profound challenges. Communities and workers face real uncertainty. The same tools that create efficiency can displace jobs. Data entry jobs are at risk. Customer service roles too. And some legal and financial analysis tasks. This could mean significant job displacement without careful management. Productivity gains for companies can become community crises. We need large-scale retraining to avoid long-term hardship. Community colleges and short certification programs will be essential. Beyond jobs, privacy and data security are major concerns. Models train on vast amounts of information, much scraped from the public web. Personal blogs, social posts, and public records can end up in training data. What do we give these systems when we use them? Our questions, our documents, our conversations. That creates centralized repositories vulnerable to misuse or attack. Who owns that data? How will it train future models? These are urgent questions. Another worry, bias. AI reflects the data it learns from. It can perpetuate stereotypes, impacting hiring, lending, and justice. Ensuring fairness and transparency is one of our toughest challenges. Generative AI also lowers the cost of producing realistic false images, audio, and text. That can enable political propaganda, fraud, and a breakdown in public trust. If we cannot tell real from fake, our public discourse suffers. The benefits are real, but so are the risks. We must build safeguards, regulations, and audits to ensure AI serves humanity. This is a balancing act between innovation and protection, and it starts now. The wave of AI-driven change washing over America demands a new mindset from its workforce. The era of one career for life is fading fast. In its place, continuous learning and adaptation. Focus on skills uniquely human, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, complex problem-solving, creativity. AI can analyze data, but humans interpret, strategize, and lead execution. Community colleges and vocational programs will be crucial for reskilling. Train workers to manage and collaborate with automation. Teach prompt engineering, the skill of getting the best from AI. Companies must invest in ongoing employee training. Government should support training and a stronger safety net for displaced workers. Foster entrepreneurship to create new jobs that leverage AI. Individuals who collaborate with AI, seeing it as a lever rather than a threat, will thrive. The challenge is immense, the opportunity enormous. Preparing America requires collective action. Policymakers, educators, community leaders. First, increase public literacy about AI. Integrate AI concepts into school curricula from a young age. Run public campaigns to demystify AI. Explain what it is, how it works, its limits. Develop a thoughtful regulatory framework that fosters innovation while protecting citizens. Consider transparency in model training and audits for bias in key systems. Fund public interest AI research, climate, health, and better government services. Create a federally supported national AI research resource, shared computing and data for academics and startups, democratize access to prevent concentration of power, foster a national dialogue on AI's ethical and social implications, create clear labeling standards so people know when content or interactions are AI-driven, invest in research, audits, and public education, have these conversations in town halls, classrooms, and the halls of Congress. As we stand in the late summer of 2025, the AI revolution is here. The intense competition has accelerated progress. Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI moved AI from the fringes to the center of life. We've seen how AI reshapes jobs, schools, and homes. It amplifies human potential, frees us from tedious work, and creates new partners for creativity. But there are risks: job loss, privacy threats, bias, and misuse. Navigating this future requires wise leadership, corporate responsibility, and lifelong learning. Don't be a passive observer. Participate, demand accountability, and stay curious. The power of AI is vast, but it is a tool, only as good as the hands that wield it. This is an invitation. Learn, adapt, and build a future of shared prosperity. Use AI to solve old problems, create new opportunities, and make America more equitable. The horizon is bright. The journey is just beginning.